and thanks for tuning in to Pirates in Teepees. Joshua Besnay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I turned this piece of 2x2 and maybe a couple of other parts I found lying around into this little steampunk looking sorta, I guess, CW key. So basically this plugs in to my Pixie radio, video for that coming up, and then the bar here is pressing down on that, connects the two wires. Let's go through the process of building this thing, and so maybe you could build your own if you'd like. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's over there. Hit that subscribe button over there, and then like the bell to turn on notifications. That would be really helpful to me. Let's get into it. I sure hope you enjoyed seeing this thing get CNC milled out and get thrown into action. Thanks so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And maybe share on social media, hit the like, all that good stuff. Much appreciated. Until then, happy hacking. This is KK6VHH, Joshua Besnay, and best of 73s. Well, maybe it's 72 since I'm using low power.